Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec driver's side dead pedal for the 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL and the 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. Before we dive into today's video, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. While common in many newer vehicles, both the Wrangler and Gladiator lack a comfortable dead pedal to rest your left foot on when you're driving your Jeep. You can solve that problem by installing the Quadratec driver's side dead pedal into the footwell of your Wrangler or Gladiator. So instead of planting your left foot flat on the floor with your knee bent at 90 degrees, that dead pedal is going to allow you to extend your leg and keep your foot at a very natural and neutral position on the dead pedal to help fight leg fatigue, whether you're simply cruising around town or maybe on those long highway drives. Now, when you're headed off-road, that dead pedal is going to give you a solid point to plant your left foot, helping you to plant yourself into the driver's seat to put you in a confident driving position to navigate those difficult obstacles. The Quadratec driver's side dead pedal is designed to be compatible with automatic transmission equipped Wranglers and Gladiators, and that is because it does install into the same location that you'll find the clutch pedal in a manual transmission vehicle. The Quadratec dead pedal can be assembled and installed in your vehicle in a matter of minutes without any modification to your Jeep required. It features a simple two-piece design crafted from 304 stainless steel with a large 3-inch wide by almost 10-inch tall footrest position on the dead pedal, as well as the mounting bracket that bolt together using the provided Allen head bolts, washers, and lock nuts. To assemble the two together, you'll use a 4mm Allen wrench and a 10mm open-end wrench. Now, we do give you 3 different mounting positions for the footrest portion of the dead pedal that allow you to choose how close to the firewall or close to the driver's seat you'd like to mount the dead pedal. We've also made the Quadratec driver's side dead pedal to be compatible with virtually all different style floor liners for your Jeep, ranging from the factory carpet liners to slush mats, to our Quadratec TrueFit liners, and even our Quadratec Ultimate All-Weather floor liners. In addition to being compatible with those floor liners, we've made it very easy when it comes time to remove those liners for cleaning. You simply flip up the dead pedal to remove and install your liners, and then drop it back down into place once your floor mats are installed. Now, to get the dead pedal installed into your footwell, we simply need to remove one mounting bolt on a mounting stud to the left side of our brake pedal using a 13mm deep well socket and socket wrench. Once we have that out of the way, we can install 2 of the provided washers to act as a spacer on that mounting stud, and then install the dead pedal and mounting bracket assembly onto the stud using the tab to locate it in place. Reinstall that nut we removed previously, and that's all it takes to install your Quadratec driver's side dead pedal into the footwell of your Wrangler or Gladiator. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a dead pedal for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.